cleaning, lubing, and just general looking after your chain. So the reasons for keeping up to scratch is if you keep on top of with cleaning it and lubricating it, you save yourself some money in the long run. Basically all I would do is get yourself a handy little chain brush, cleans 3 sides at once, makes the job a little bit easier for you. Get yourself a chain cleaner of any sort, and then all I would do is spin the wheel, apply some chain cleaner to the chain, get your chain brush, pop it on, spin your wheel, make sure you clean all 4 sides. So I'm cleaning the top, lift the chain brush up, so I clean the bottom, push towards, so I clean this face, and then swap round and clean the back side of the chain. Just get an old rag, watch your fingers, wipe all the residue off. Then when we're happy with the general condition of the chain, making sure we've still no tight links, anything like that. Sure, no excess lube, dirt, grit, gravel, anything else of the general road grime. Then just get your chain lube. Same principle as the cleaning. Spin your wheel nice and steady. Give it spray on each side. So on the top side, this face plate. On the back, and then you can run around the other side of the bike with the wheel again. And get the back side nice clean. Get your rag and then just wipe off any overspraying any residue on your wheel,